Welcome to our guide on how to display your phone number on your Facebook page. Adding your phone number can make it easier for customers to contact you directly. Let's walk through the steps to show your phone number on your page. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, denoted by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you want to showcase your phone number by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Select the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then click on the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and enter your phone number. Once you have added your phone number, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Congratulations! Your phone number is now visible on your Facebook page, making it convenient for customers to reach out to you via phone. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your page with important contact information. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.